Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
what do you mean? Yeah, go and put your picture up. No, go and put your picture up. Put your picture up and at your back. Listen, put it back and at your back. You have no rights. Nobody have any rights. No, that's not been done. No, we're not going to. We are not going to listen to them. But we hear this morning. Put it back on. You put it back on. Put it back on. Put it back on. Put it back on. Tape away. Tape away. Listen, officer, no, officer, he has a right to be anywhere, and you can raise it up, yeah, you can raise it up, you know, no, get off his way. He has the right of going anywhere.
Why you don't want the picture?
Why you don't want that picture? No. He has the right of owning any picture. He has the right of owning any picture. Give it to me. And you can't right of owning any picture. Only you go to nobody will stop you. No, you quiet. Check anybody. Listen, officer, listen. They come here. Listen. They come in here this morning.
I'm trying to talk to you, but you're shouting.
No, I'm not shouting. Let me talk. What guy? What happened to him?
To prevent a breach of the peace.
Why are you high? What guy? What happened to him? What happened to him?
People are shouting at me. Yeah, but everyone's shouting at me now. Listen to me. I'm trying to talk to you.
He has the right of picking any picture up. I'm sorry. Let me go with the camera. So when you, I'm talking with you. I'm
He's a Igbo man. He lives down there.
He's Igbo.
Yes, Igbo
Hello? How are you? Ah, c'est people school do allow our limbo call you any. Hey, the law now. There's a square law, there's a park. Square, it is a park. Square, you postcode there. You said you need to leave. I won't leave. Don't let us grab the magic.
Don't stir it up. You're making it worse.
I know. That's all right. Then you're doing the best of it. He's one of the biggest.
And maybe they are. Maybe they are. And what I'd happily do is review that evidence and then in its public interest.
Another way you say public interest.
Yeah, it's true. Because you have the right to protest, and I will support your right. The difficult thing is,
He literally
What do you mean? What do you mean? He has the right of writing anything. He has the right of doing anything. He's not living. He is not living. He has the right of showing anything. You want one? What do you mean you have to leave? He's not living. It's not living. Nobody's living here. He is not living, and nobody's living here. It's not living. No, because I tell you why it's not provocative. I tell you why it's not provocative. Because I come out. No, he can never be moved.
I'm not ignoring you.
He's not going to be moved. He has his right of protection. He has a full right of protection. I'm at your back. Nobody is moving anybody. Hey, go Mikey down. Hey, Yoruba Nation! 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 My governor, I have to take it over my
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.